Namaskar, myself Dr. Ujjwala Deshmukh, consulting obstetrician and gynecologist from Nagpur. Nowadays, we come across with the vitamin D deficiency patients very commonly, from the adolescence to till the menopause. In adolescence also, any girl coming for the menstrual irregularities, when we go for the this vitamin D level, we found the low vitamin D levels. And you know, vitamin D is very important for the bone health and the every cell. प्रत्येक पेशी शरीरातल्या प्रत्येक पेशीला कार्य करण्यासाठी विटॅमिन डी ची आवश्यकता असते. सो इवन द सीन इन द केसेस लाईक PCO, in intermenstrual bleeding, PMS in the girls, even it is seen in the infertility also. During pregnancy, if the vitamin D levels are very low and magnesium levels are very low, patients are prone for the pre-eclamptic toxemia. So in pregnancy also vitamin D is important. So throughout her life, vitamin D is needed. She also has in perimenopausal age group also, you can see the premenopausal symptoms like hot flushes and all that, they are increased if the vitamin D levels are low. And correction of simple vitamin D levels also improves her psyche. The depression is reduced, her sleeplessness or nights are also reduced. In postmenopausal women, we can see very commonly the patients are diagnosed unless they get fracture by the orthopedician that she is having vitamin D deficiency. And I tell you here, my husband is a surgeon. So retrospective study of the patients of CF breast, there is a vitamin D levels low in each and every patient. Even the patients of the tuberculosis, they are prone and having vitamin D deficiency. So here is the role of vitamin D. And I congratulate Indico Pharma for having the Shakti. This is their site. This is a Shakti which gives a detailed study of the vitamin D to the every girl and a woman. And you can go on this site and get related questions and queries answered by the experts. Even I will also try to communicate with you, and I will write down few of the causes and the treatment related to vitamin D deficiency. So I again congratulate Indico Pharma for taking such a good initiative for the people who need vitamin D left and right throughout the life. Thank you.